you doing? You like your new high chair? Yeah. Are you playing with your toys? Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Are you playing with toys?
You can't reach those other toys, can you? Oh, okay. Here.
I have to feed him before my 10 o'clock.
All right. Ooh, there you go. Can you grab your toy? Oh, big yawn. Hmm. What's wrong? What's wrong? You need more attention? Can you grab your giraffe? Can you put it in your mouth? Ah. Yeah.
The streaking is a new thing.
Yeah. You're so good. Can you put it in your mouth? Can you put it in your mouth? There you go. There you go. There you go. You can do it.
Tyler!
You're getting closer. You're getting closer. You're getting a little closer. Here, just put it right there. Yeah. There you go. Eat its head off. Bite those ears off. Good boy. Good boy. You talking to us? You saying help me? You're okay. You're okay. Here, here, here. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Bite those ears.
Should you have worked today?
Yep.
Hmm?